Look at this. This is the rarest Steam Deck in the world. It is a white OLED limited edition. I have been waiting for a long time to show you this beautiful device. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. I already made a video about the normal Steam Deck, so you can watch that one after this video. Now, let's look at the box. It's very clean and simple. Valve only made a few of these white consoles. They were only for the USA and Canada. Many people wanted this color, but it's very hard to get. I'm so happy I can finally open it on my table today. Look at this case. It is made only for the white version. The quality is very high. It feels strong and expensive. There is a small loop here, so you can hang the case on a hook or a bag. Valve did a great job with the small details. Even the zipper feels good. It is just not a box. It's a very good part of the gift. I actually bought this unit in London. It was not easy to find because it sold out so fast. Many people ask me about the price. I paid £600 for it. That is more expensive than the normal black version, which cost £570. You pay extra for the limited white color and the special case. Looks so clean. The white color is made so it is not shiny. The sticks and buttons are gray. They look perfect with the white body. There are no other colors here, just a very simple and cool design. I think it is the best looking handheld right now. This OLED version is also 30 grams lighter than the old model. You can feel it when you hold it in your hands. It is very comfortable. Now I'm trying to turn it on. Sometimes new units don't start immediately. This is because of shipping mode. Valve does this to keep the battery safe during travel. So if your new deck doesn't start, just plug in the power cable for a second. The build quality is great. No noises, no gaps. It feels like a very high quality machine. Look at these two squares under the sticks. These are trackpads. They are like a mouse for your games. You can play strategy games or shooters much better with them. In this white version, they feel very smooth and the haptic feedback is great. Also, the joysticks here are different. They have a new material at the top so your thumbs don't slip. Inside, this OLED model has a better battery and a faster processor than the old black LCD version. It also stays cooler and quiet when you play big games. It is not just about the white color. It is a much faster and better machine. Valve really improved everything in this version. I'm really still trying to turn it on and I hope the battery is not empty. There it is, the Steam logo. Look at the screen. It is an OLED panel, so the colors are very bright and the black is very deep. It is a big upgrade over the old model. Even the loading screen looks much better than the old LCD version. I will put it back in the case now to keep it safe and clean. If you want to see a video where I play games on this white deck, please tell me in the comments. I want to know what you think about this color. Is it better than black? Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.